The reason the advanced manufacturing programs here at ACC are so important is because most of the companies that are in Austin area are growing, or we have a lot of new companies coming into the area and they need employees to help them grow their business. To me, it's the defining moments are when I can see that we've touched someone's lives and made it better for them so that they can provide for their family. And Rosie's a great example of that, and I'd love for her to share her story.
I was a cosmetologist for 10 years, and after the pandemic and having my son, I decided I wanted a career change. And Tesla was, of course, coming to Austin, so that piqued my interest in manufacturing. And as I looked into getting educated, I, of course, found ACC and all the different career paths that they have. I like that they have their career paths in smaller segments, so that way it fits me and my young son and my family. So I took the CPT program, that's the 8-week program, and after that I continued on and got a few more classes in for the associates, and I'm working towards getting my associate's degree. I also teach the soldering techniques classes here at ACC, and I recently got a job at Apple on the iPhone hardware team.